How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I'm going to talk about NordVPN. So basically, here's everything you need to know in 5 minutes or less. And if at any point you guys are interested in NordVPN, you'll find a full review in the description down below, as well as a discount code that'll help you save a little bit more money. Okay, so when it comes to the privacy policy or the no logs policy, I want to see an independent audit report in order to prove that they do uphold the no logs policy. Since most VPNs claim a no logs policy but end up failing to uphold such a policy when investigated. But thankfully, with NordVPN, they do have plenty of evidence with regards to proving that they do uphold the no logs policy, and we do have a bunch of independent audit reports to prove that. So basically, what all of this translates to is nobody is going to be able to know what you're doing online, not any hacker or your internet service provider. Now, as far as speed, there's really nothing you need to worry about, especially if you're using the NordLynx protocol. It arguably makes NordVPN the fastest VPN in the industry. No matter how far you are from the server you're connected to, you're always going to have really good connection. But just make sure that you're using the best performing protocol, which is going to be the NordLynx protocol. Okay, now with regards to torrenting, you have peer-to-peer specialty servers, and you don't need to use them. You can really use any server, but the peer-to-peer optimized servers are there if you ever need them. And of course, you have anonymity servers with Onion over VPN, and you have extra or double VPN servers if you want to double the encryption. And as far as streaming, you're not going to have any problems accessing any kind of streaming service, whether it's Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and you can even access multiple libraries of these services. So just connect to the right server and you should be good to go. And as far as features, you have plenty of them. You've got the threat protection, which is going to act like a little bit of a mini antivirus. It will also avoid malicious ads and block malware-ridden websites and stop trackers. And then you have MeshNet, which is going to allow you to share files over the encrypted network of NordVPN. MeshNet is also free now. You don't need to purchase NordVPN for MeshNet. You can just download the VPN application. It'll have access to MeshNet. You also have these specialty servers that I mentioned earlier. You've got over 5,800 servers in 60 countries, the NordLynx protocol, an easy way to change your DNS with custom DNS, and of course, the basic security features such as the kill switch and split tunneling. But you also have the addition of the app kill switch, which will disconnect selected applications when the VPN disconnects unexpectedly rather than disconnecting your entire connection. And that is pretty much it with NordVPN. It's honestly one of the most well-rounded VPNs you can find in the business, and it's compatible with basically all the devices, and you'll be able to secure up to 6 devices per subscription. And if you want to secure an unlimited number of devices, just install NordVPN on a compatible router. So again, if you're looking for the best well-rounded VPN that offers a whole bunch of bonus features for a very reasonable price, while also maintaining very high levels of performance and security, then yeah, NordVPN would be a great option. And of course, if you're not satisfied for whatever reason, there's still a 30-day money-back guarantee that you can ask for through the 24/7 live chat support. Aside from that, you'll find a link in the description if you'd like to pick up NordVPN. That'll save you a little bit of extra money. And comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.